I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me.
What's up, you guys, and welcome to RPFILMS HQ. This is where we do all of our tinting, we test all of the new products, and we also ship out and do in-store pickups here at this location. We recently just finished a remodel of the shop, updating it with our new branding, our new logo, and making it more practical for our workday every single day. So come on in. This right here is, I don't know how wide you can see it, but the new shop. We've installed the flooring actually from Vever Flooring. We can link that below. It's been really, really nice. It helps really prevent any knee pain and damage. We did that on the entire floor here. We actually are gonna do it in the front office and the distribution, but we're gonna do it later in phase 2. So come on in. We're still waiting on cabinetry. So once we have cabinetry, a lot of the stuff that's out will be put away. All right, here we have what I call the gallery of products. This is not completed yet, but this is a template showing you guys the products that are available on the website. Basically, you buy one of these, it gets you entries to win this vehicle. So I thought it was like a good idea to, instead of just have them on the website, to actually display them on the back wall. So we're gonna be installing a mirror back here to help finish that look, but this is the shirts. So here you've got RPFILMS, Tokyo region, because it's JDM. We've got some Greek mythology stuff up here, because I really like Greek mythology, and you have all this cool stuff here, different styles, different tastes. You have the baby on this ball. Yeah, you have the Z, so you'll see on the website we'll have a ton more products, but this is just, we're still actively building this wall. Here we're gonna have a bunch of hats or different samples, different things that we carry. Here we've got our generation of boxes of RPFILMS, and we got a vinyl box, our old box that we had, our most recent box, and then our current RPFILMS box, which is this one right here. Then up here we've got this really cool LED. I've had this company for 8 years. We've never had an LED. This is our first LED we've ever had, and honestly I am in love with it. It looks so good, and we're gonna have some exterior LEDs eventually. Here we have the remaining of the wall. So we've got another t-shirt, but we're gonna have another probably 14 shirts up here. We've got some basic RPFILM hats. So if you guys are watching, make sure to support the channel. Win yourself a car. You can win a car by just buying some stuff. All right, guys, so here, basically this is the shop. Looks really cool, much more practical. It's a space I want to come to work every day. And I've noticed I have a lot of pain in my joints, my knees, and my back. And I think it's because we're working on concrete all day. So this is really, really nice cushion for our shop. And we have a shop cat. I just don't know where he's at right now. He might be outside. Another one arriving today.
She's been wandering back and forth
Yeah? Yeah. He got bigger overnight, dude. It's crazy. Every time I get here, he's bigger. It's a he.
Is it he?
I think so, yeah.
No, it has nipples.
It has nipples?
Yeah, it has a...
What the fuck?
Yeah. That's not balls.
No? So it is a girl?
That's a cooter, yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. All right, so the distribution. So this is our shop cat, Nizma. We're still trying to figure out if it's a boy or girl. I guess it's a girl. Super friendly cat. He just chills here all day. He actually came from Reno's Body Shop, and we actually have a clip that I'll put in this video of when I selected her. And she's honestly been the easiest cat I've ever owned. I've had 2 other cats. They were outdoor cats, and honestly, really good shop cat. Just chills and hangs out with us. Okay. Here we've got the distribution. Still not up to what I want, but we still have the white walls. Still have all the stuff on the ground over here, but eventually we're gonna have it upstairs. We're trying to make this better and better as we're going, but it's really hard because we have kind of limited space here. So we really have to just keep changing things until we get it to be extremely efficient. So next phase, we'll be opening these walls here to allow the project cars to be done in this room, and then have cabinetry in this room, and then move all the basic distribution stuff upstairs so we can actually really maximize the square footage. Because we're not here all day, so it kind of wastes a lot of space. So again, we're just gonna move everything up there. But yeah, guys, this is the shop update. I'm gonna film some window tint. Today, we've got this vehicle right here. This is gonna be getting a full ceramic, maybe ceramic plus, I'm not exactly sure. Tint all the way around. It's a continuous customer we keep getting. Very good customer. And also continue to work on the wrap. So let's get on with the day, and I'll take you guys through a full day today.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star.